Rahim. Format number 4. Format number 4 is are you, and then there is V4. What? V4. What is V4? Example of V4? Playing. Trying. Waiting. Example of V4. जी असरा बेटा. Making. Explaining. Helping. Catching. Investing. Very good. Offering. Following. Realizing. Going. Waiting. Watching. Tracking. Improving. Using. Watching. Trying. Very good. Ready? 5 सवाल आपने पूछने हैं। क्या? Are you और V4? इसका जवाब क्या हो सकता है? Yes, I am और V4। अगर ये V हो जाएगा तो मैं आपसे पूछूं Are you looking at me? क्या कहोगे? Yes, we are। आगे क्या है? You are, they are, doctors are, students are, he is, she is, and so on.
Are you waiting?
Yes, I am waiting.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Sohail whether he is waiting,
Okay.
and he replies that he is waiting.
Are you looking?
Yes, I am looking.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Sohail whether he is looking, and he replies that he is looking.
Are you watching?
Yes, I am watching.
Mr. Adil inquires Mr. Sohail whether he is watching, and he replies that he is watching.
क्या गलती है? Inquires.
Are you trying?
Yes, I am trying.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is trying, and he replies that he is trying.
Are you preparing?
Yes, I am preparing.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is preparing, and he informs that he is preparing.
Are you protecting?
Yes, I am protecting.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is protecting.
Inquires.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is protecting, and he replies that he is protecting.
Are you acting?
Yes, I am acting.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil. Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is acting, and he informs that he is acting.
Are you cheering?
Yes, I am cheering.
Mr. Sohail inquires Mr. Adil whether he is cheering, and he replies that he is cheering.
Very good, beta. Thank you very much.
Are you improving?
Yes, I am improving.
Are you improving? Yes, I am
Yes, I am
improving.
improving.
जी.
Mr. Fatma inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is improving, and he replies that he is improving.
दोबारा.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is improving, and he replies that he is improving.
ठीक है.
Are you observing?
Yes, I am observing.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is observing, and he replies that he is observing.
Are you reading?
Yes, I am reading.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is reading, and he replies that he is reading.
Are you speaking?
Yes, I am stitching.
शुक्रिया.
Speaking.
Speaking, okay.
जाने अस्सलाम वालेकुम जाने अभी देता. Are you speaking? यानी yes, I am stitching. और ना हो रही थी, बहुत टेंडिंग हो रही थी. जी.
Mr. Hassan inquires Miss Fatma whether she is speaking, and she replies that she is speaking. Mr. Hassan inquires Miss Fatma whether she is creating, and she replies that she is creating. Mr. Hassan inquires Miss Fatma whether she is buying, and she replies that she is buying. Mr. Hassan inquires Miss Fatma whether she is walking, and she replies that she is walking.
Very good. Thank you.
शुरू करो। Are you looking?
Yes, I am looking.
Very good.
Mr. Forum inquires
Mr. Fazl.
Mr. Fazl whether he is looking. He replies that he is looking.
And
he replies that he is looking.
very good.
Are you standing?
Yes, I am standing.
हाँ, क्या आप खड़े हैं? जी मैं खड़ा हूँ. क्या आप सुन रहे हैं? जी मैं सुन रहा हूँ. क्या आप पढ़ रहे हैं? जी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. क्या आप बोर हो रहे हैं? जी बिल्कुल, मैं तो फिर घंटे दिल पे निकल बनी. जी.
Mr. Forum inquires Mr. Fazl whether he is standing, and he replies that he is standing.
जी
Are you giving?
Yes, I am giving.
Mr. Fromm inquires Mr. Fuzz whether he is giving, and he replies that he is giving.
Are you speaking?
Yes, I am speaking.
Mr. Fuzz inquires Mr. Fromm whether he is speaking, and he replies that he is speaking. Mr. Fuzz inquires Mr. Fromm whether he is listening, and he replies that he is listening.
Are you cleaning?
Yes, I am cleaning.
आहा अरे
Mr. Fuzz inquires Mr. Fromm whether he is cleaning, and he replies that he is cleaning.
Are you reading?
very good
Yes, I am reading.
Mr. Fuzz inquires Mr. Fromm whether he is reading, and he replies that he is reading.
Are you writing?
are you
Are you writing?
writing
Yes, I am writing.
Mr. Fuzz inquires Mr. Fromm whether he is writing, and he replies that he is writing.
thank you बेटा कुछ खैर है कि बस
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है.
how are you
I am fine.
sure what's your name
My name is from Shahra.
where are you from
ठीक है सर.
where are you from where are you from
I am from
Jabriya where is Jabriya
Are you watching?
Yes, I am watching.
Mr. Qasim inquired Mr. Ibrahim whether he is watching
very good
and replied that he is watching.
see Mr. Qasim inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether he is watching and he replies that he is watching
Are you studying?
Yes, I am studying.
Mr. Ibrahim inquires Mr. Qasim whether he is studying and he replies that he is studying.
very good
Are you thinking?
Yes, I am thinking.
Mr. Qasim inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether he is thinking and he replies that he is thinking.
Are you searching?
Yes, I am searching.
Mr. Qasim inquires Mr. Ibrahim whether he is searching and he replies that he is searching.
thank you very good बेटा
Are you watching?
Yes, I am watching.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is watching, and he replies that he is watching.
very good
Are you following?
Yes, I am following.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is following, and he replies that he is following.
जी
Are you taking?
Yes, I am taking.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is taking, and he replies that he is taking.
very good
Are you jumping?
Yes, I am jumping.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is jumping and he replies that he is jumping.
और समझेगा
Yes, sir.
Are you walking?
Yes, I am walking.
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is walking and he replies that he is walking.
Are you working?
Yes, I am working.
very good
Mr. Saad inquires Mr. Hassan whether he is working and he replies that he is working.
Are you saying?
Yes,
are
I
you
am.
saying
Yes, I am saying.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is saying and he replies that he is saying.
Are you pushing?
Yes, I am pushing.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is pushing and he replies that he is pushing.
Are you using?
No, I am not listening.
Mr. Hassan inquires Mr. Saad whether he is losing and he replies that he is not losing.
love you my son
Are you explaining?
Yes, I am explaining.
explaining
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdur Rahman whether he is explaining, and he replies that he is explaining.
बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहना
What are you explaining?
I am explaining the lecture.
very good you are explaining and you are explaining the lecture
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdur Rahman what he is explaining.
love you my son
And he replies that he is explaining the lecture.
I am explaining the lecture for the students.
for the students very good
Fatma inquires Mr. Abdur Rahman whom he is explaining the lecture for, and he replies that he is explaining the lecture for the students.
very good
Where are you explaining the lecture?
I am explaining the lecture in the academy.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdur Rahman where he is explaining the lecture, and he replies that he is explaining in the Sila.
very good he is explaining the lecture at Sila
How are you explaining the lecture?
I am explaining the lecture carefully.
very good और क्या हो सकता है जी I am explaining the lecture carefully और क्या हो सकता है
Excitedly.
excitedly और
Heartedly.
कैसे clearly very good बेटा clearly और
Heartedly.
wholeheartedly अच्छो है wholeheartedly और properly और
Patiently.
attentively
Patiently.
patiently और Love you, my son, with proper explanation or according to the level of the students. According to the level of the students. Very easily. How? Very easily. इंतहाई आसान तरीके से. जी.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdul Rahman how he is explaining the lecture.
Okay.
And he replies that he is explaining with care.
Why are you explaining the lecture?
I am explaining the lecture to answer the questions.
Very
of
good.
students.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Miss Fatma inquires Mr. Abdul Rahman why he is explaining the lecture, and he replies that he is explaining the lecture
To
answer
answer
the questions.
Questions of the students.